Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to install font on Windows 11 laptop without any stress. So let's see. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come to your address bar right here and then type in the font. Then press enter on your keyboard. So we have the web address right here. So click on the first result right here. Then it's going to load up like so. So we have so many fonts on this particular website, free for personal use. So you can scroll down, and the more you scroll down, the more you see different types of fonts that you can simply download. You can also browse the fonts by alphabetical category right here, different types, different names of the font. Just hover your mouse and click on any one of them. There you are good to go. But in this tutorial, I'm going to simply download this lemon round right here. And for you to download, what we need to do is to simply come down right here, free for personal use. I'm going to simply click on download, and in a few seconds, the download folder is going to be prepared. Then I'll simply click on save right here. So you can see the download folder here is being prepared, lemon round C. Just like what you see right here. So we need to just exercise a little bit patient. As you can see right here, the folder has been completely downloaded. Now we can exit from the web browser. And the next thing we want to do is to locate our download folder. So I'm going to simply go onto my folder right here. So I have my download folder right here. So here we go. So this is the font right here. What I need to do is to simply right click on this zip, and then I will make sure I copy it from here. Then I will head over back to my desktop environment, create a new folder entirely. I'm going to right click on it on the window environment, and I'll go to new. Then I'll simply click on folder. Then I'll call this one fonts. Then enter. The next thing I want to do is to simply double click on the folder. Then it's open up like so. Then I will right click on it. Then I'll make sure I look for paste, just like so. I'll click on paste. So we have the zip file right here. Next thing we want to do is to simply right click on the zip, and I will simply click on extract here. So in a few seconds, we have the file being extracted right here, which is lemon round. Next thing we want to do here is to simply maximize this folder. We have it from the side right here. Now the next thing we want to do here is to simply come down below right here. I'll click on my start menu, and this is going to pump up. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply go to settings. It's going to open up like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply navigate to personalization right here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply go to fonts. It's going to take me right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to bring out the folder. So we have the font folder right here. Now what we need to do is to simply drag this font from here. I will simply drag it from here and drop it here. In a few seconds, the font is going to be activated, just like so. Then, for us to be sure if we eventually have the font, so you can see it right here, lemon round. You can also make use of type search right here and type the name of the font. You are going to see it right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to install fonts on Windows 11 laptop without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.